Tsum Tsum is Japanese for stack stack. Hi guys, I'm Sash and welcome to another episode of the Very Serious Toy Show. Today I am getting to explore Disney and Marvel Tsum Tsum. So for those of you who don't know, Tsum Tsum is Japanese for stack stack. And Disney has taken all their characters and squished them into these cute little chubby round little collectibles that you can stack on top of each other. And as you can see, they come in 3 different sizes. So you've got your small, medium and your large. And these can stack on top of each other and you can collect as many as you can and have one big stack. So today I've got Disney and Marvel, and I think we're gonna go with the Disney one for now, and let's see what we've got. Got Doc from Snow White, I've got Patch, and then I've got one mystery character, so that's really exciting. And then they've got on here, they've got all your cool little characters. They've got Peter Pan, Pumbaa, Stitch, Minnie, Mickey, so that's really cool. And it comes with a collector's guide, and it says over here, free download Disney Tsum Tsum app. So you can download the app and play fun games and see these characters come to life. So let's open and see who our mystery character is. So we've got our 3 characters. The collector's guide is in there. And let's see who our mystery character is. So here's our two that we have. So we've got a large and a small. And we've got dun, 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 Peter Pan, boy who never grow up. We stack them on top of each other. Whoops, it's bound to happen. And they are so cute. They're a little round and look at their little feet. They're just like little balls. That's great, guys. So Disney Tsum Tsum is so great. I think I'm gonna open another one. Let's open Marvel and see what we've got. So Marvel Tsum Tsum, I've got Captain America, Giant Man and a mystery character. So let's see, I'm hoping that we get a Hulk. Let's see who we've got. So let's take out our Giant Man. I think he's stuck. I think he's a little too chub. Giant Man. Captain America. Oh, he's so cute. And let's see who our mystery character is. I don't know who that is, so let's have a look at our collector's guide. Let's have a look at our collector's guide and see who our mystery character is. So the collector's guide is amazing. So you can clearly see all your characters and in their different sizes. So this is, where is he? Hawkeye. So there he is over there, Hawkeye, and we have him in a medium. So now you can collect him in a small and a large. And there you have it, guys, Disney Tsum Tsum. You can stack and collect them all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up below. so that I can go and get more to stack, stack, stack and zoom, zoom, zoom my way out of here.